बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, welcome back to my channel. This is Decor Art signing in, and I am going to share with you a most stunning and super pretty planter centerpieces decoration ideas. These are very stunning and these are very unique and very beautiful planter decoration ideas for you guys. So viewers, I hope so you like these planter decoration ideas. These are super stunning and super incredible and outstanding planter centerpieces decoration ideas for your home decor. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also click the like button for more updates and for more notifications. These are super incredible and very pretty and very unique. Planter centerpieces decoration ideas for you guys. If you want different other kind of craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are most demanding and most unique craft for you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are super incredible and top unique planter decoration ideas for you guys. Always think positive, guys. Always be positive. These are super amazing and super unique ideas for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.